We all know that Maruti is going to showcase the 5-door Jimny at the upcoming Auto Expo next week, but apart from that, Maruti will also showcase the crossover based on the second generation Maruti Baleno hatchback. The new vehicle, which is the Baleno YTB or the Baleno Cross, will basically be an upgraded version of the regular Baleno hatchback, and it will have some better design elements, a higher ground clearance and bigger tires, along with slightly updated interiors and a new engine under the hood. So what are the details? Well, the vehicle will be based on the same platform as the Baleno, which is the hard-teched platform, but on the outside it is likely to get some major design changes. While from the side it will look the same as the normal Baleno, apart from the extra ground clearance, the front is likely to get a major shift in its design, and it is likely to carry a more aggressive look inspired by the Maruti Grand Vitara or the new S-Cross, which is sold globally. Now, Maruti discontinued the S-Cross in India very recently, and the Baleno Cross is likely to be a replacement of that, and it will be slightly more affordable than the S-Cross. That is a possibility. From the rear, again, it will have minor changes, but the talking point will be the high ground clearance. The standard Baleno has a ground clearance of 170mm, while the Baleno Cross is expected to get 190mm of ground clearance. It will also have body cladding. While the regular Baleno gets 185 section 15-inch tires, the Baleno Cross is expected to get 16-inch tires. The Baleno measures 3990mm in length, and the Baleno Cross is likely to be similar. Of course, it won't cross the 4 meters barrier, and the width is also expected to be the same, while the height will increase slightly. The normal Maruti Baleno gets a 1.2-litre K12C petrol engine, but the Baleno Cross is likely to get a 1-litre booster jet 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Now, we saw the booster jet for the first time in India with the Baleno RS quite a few years back, but then it was discontinued. Now it is going to make a comeback, and this time it will make around 110 horses and 170 Newton meters of torque. It will also be offered with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter. The 0 to 100 timing with the booster jet engine is likely to be around 10 seconds, and the added punch will definitely be welcomed by enthusiasts. On the inside, the layout of the cabin will be the same as the normal Baleno, but of course Maruti will offer better upholstery and a slightly redesigned color theme. The feature list is also expected to be similar to the normal Baleno. It will get 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, ISO fixed child seat mounts, a 9-inch infotainment system with 2 tweeters and 4 speakers, and the list goes on and on. Of course, it is not expected to get a sunroof, but it will have automatic climate control, keyless go with push button start, and all those normal features which you get in the normal Baleno. The Maruti Baleno costs 7.5 lakh to 11.2 lakh on road Mumbai, and the Baleno Cross is expected to get a price premium of approximately 50,000 to 70,000, which I think should be worth it. Just like the normal Baleno, the Baleno Cross will also be sold through the Nexa outlets. So that's about it. We will show you the car in detail when we see it next week at the Auto Expo. Meanwhile, let me know your thoughts on the Baleno Cross in the comment section below, and also let me know whether you'll buy this or the normal Baleno, or was the old S-Cross your favorite crossover.